In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your Bluetooth on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're having issues with your Bluetooth or you're not sure how to turn it on and enable it, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can fix and do this. So first thing you need to do is just head over to your start menu, search for CMD, and then you're going to right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From this window, just type in GP update and then hit enter. And that's just going to go ahead and update all of your window policies. So once you've done that, you can close out of this window, head over to your start menu and search for services and then click on the services window. Then from here, we're just going to scroll down until you see all of your Bluetooth services. So for my computer, I have 3 different ones here. And what you need to do is just right click on each of the Bluetooth ones, click on properties, and then make sure the startup type is set to automatic and then press apply and OK. And we're going to do the exact same thing for Bluetooth support service just by right clicking, click on properties and make sure the startup type set to automatic and press apply and OK. And for this last one, Bluetooth user support service, we can actually keep this set to manual, so you can just leave that and then press OK. Now, once you've done this, you can close out of this window, head over to your start menu, search for settings, and then click on the settings window. From the left-hand side, select Bluetooth and devices. And next to Bluetooth, you just want to turn it on like so. And then that should enable and turn on your Bluetooth. Now, if that's not working for you, then what you'll need to do is head over to your start menu, search for device manager, and then click on the device manager window. Next to Bluetooth, you want to expand this drop down. And from here, you should be able to see your Bluetooth adapter. So mine's this Intel wireless Bluetooth one here, and what we need to do is update these to the latest drivers. So the first method of doing that is just by right clicking, selecting update driver, and then pressing search automatically for drivers. Now if it says you're already running the latest drivers, then what we can do actually is close out of this window, head over to an internet browser, and we're just going to type in Intel Bluetooth driver and hit enter. Then head over to the official Intel website. Obviously, if you're running a different Bluetooth adapter to Intel, then you'll need to replace this with the brand of your Bluetooth adapter. But for me, I'm just going to scroll down to this download section and click on this download button. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions. And then all we're simply going to do is run this tool here. And as you can see, this is automatically going to update our drivers from this version over to this version here. So just click on yes to confirm. And once you've finished all of those steps, you can then head back over to the settings page. And you should now be able to turn on your Bluetooth and you can add devices by clicking this button here. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.